2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing Anthem. Fun song by Greta Van Fleet. Greta Van Fleet. Cool name. Anyway, this is fun on acoustic. Because that's what it is. Let's put a capo on 2nd fret, please, so we get some open cool chords. We got A major. 1, 2, 3. We got E major. 1, 2, 3. We got D. 1, 2, 3. And we got a G major in there at some point. Yeah, we got an F later too, but let's talk about that later. So over the A, we want that little melody. So that's A sus, pinky on 3rd fret, B, back to regular A, and open B string, back to regular A. Pum, pum, pop, 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 down, 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 up, 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 up. That's kind of the feel for the whole song. To E. And then let's call this pre-chorus when I go A, D, A, D, D. And then something is happening with D here for the pre-chorus. They go very cool. So just hold the D, 1, 2, 3, and add your pinky on 4th fret G string. We want to go back to A. Is going to happen. E, G major, D, and E. Did we talk about the E? 1, 2, 3, and then make the E an E7. So just lift up your 3rd finger. 3, 4, back to A, E. back to the top. Let's see. There it is. And then D. Okay. Here it comes up. This is where we're going to grab the G. There, the G. And then we have actually a new chord. We got F major. They're changing it a little bit to G, to A, and then chorus. Actually, this is the part where they go F, G, A. Here's the ending. So the ending, they're just gonna go A, D, so that's the part. Down, down, pop, 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 down, down, pop, 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 down. All right, so let's review. We got the main verses with that melody over the A, and then E, D, A. 2, 3, 4, E, D. Okay, so that's the main verses, stays the same, and then we got the pre-chorus, A, D, and then we want to do that thing with the D. And last time for the pre-chorus we go A, G, D, and A, E7. And then chorus. And then it ends on an A. But second time they go F, G, A. And then it's the outro. Okay, cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great day. Be safe. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool tunes. Thank you.